Have you always wanted to paint abstract paintings but don't know where to start? Thought it was too difficult, how to put it together, what to do? Well, if this is you, then you need to watch this video to the end. My name is Joy Fahey. I have been teaching for many years, and the students that I've had may be just like you when they first started off, wondering what to do and how to do it. But having done the course, they now can confidently paint beautiful abstract paintings. In this course, I take you step by step, stage by stage, through the whole process of putting together an abstract painting, right from the beginning through to the end. I will help you overcome those blocks and those fears, so you'll never have to think about that again. Believe me, I've been there, I've done that. But now, with these techniques in place, you'll never have to go through those fears again. Whether you are a beginner just starting out, or you've had some experience, this abstract course made simple will give you the fundamentals that you need to be able to paint beautiful abstract paintings. You will discover amazing things about yourself and paint pictures that you never thought you could possibly do. So be prepared to get hooked, as painting will become your passion. I can't wait to meet you and take you on this wonderful abstract painting journey. So click the link below and let's get started together.